Reducing CO2 and other greenhouse gas emissions is a top global priority. Whether it's to meet ESG goals, reduce pollution, or lower operating costs, the advantages of decarbonization are well worth considering. So, how does one get started in decarbonizing their facility? Thermon is a leader in the quest for a greener tomorrow. They have developed multiple solutions toward decarbonizing industrial, commercial, and transportation processes. Thermon offers a wide range of products to electrify heating processes by replacing fossil fuel combustion as a heating source, including immersion heaters, trace heaters, methane destruction units, environmental air and space heaters, circulation heaters, electric boilers and calorifiers, and more. Many industries can benefit from electrification of heating processes. For example, the green hydrogen production industry can use Thermon's EX circulation heaters to superheat steam for electrolysis, to break down water molecules into oxygen and hydrogen using sustainable electricity. Furthermore, supply lines must maintain a constant temperature. Efficient electric trace heaters such as Thermon's BSX and HTSX heat tracers can be used along all supply lines for freeze protection and temperature maintenance. The production of green ammonia and environmentally friendly ammonia production can also be made more energy efficient through electrification with Thermon solutions. In addition to Thermon providing trace heaters along supply lines and environmental space heating, Thermon also provides the Calorie-Tech CX immersion heater that can be used in amine and glycol reboilers. The renewable fuel industry has numerous places where heating can be electrified. Wind turbines can benefit from heating for freeze protection and to keep lubricating oil flowing freely. Thermon makes the Envirodyne methane destruction unit, which breaks down fugitive methane emissions and converts it to water vapor and carbon dioxide. The Thermon Envirodyne units are flameless and use a catalytic process for this conversion. Thermon also designs the advanced Thermon Genesis network control and monitoring systems required to minimize energy use while maintaining proper temperature with wireless mesh technology that provides equipment and materials full operational awareness of the heat tracing system. Thermon has developed electrification and decarbonization solutions for these and many other industries, including petrochemical manufacturing, maritime and shipbuilding, data centers, food and beverage manufacturing, and many others. These are just a few examples of how Thermon can make your path to decarbonization easier. For more information or to schedule a heating audit, visit www.thermon.com.